Very good. Malinas na naman.
Before we
Video ko.
start our lesson, let's have an activity. So please stand up.
Ari ka?
So the name of our energizer is do what I say, but don't do what I do. Ito mana? Yes. So ang muna to is nothing for the countries na inside Japan, Philippines, Korea, and USA. Again, Japan, Philippines, Korea, and USA. So what is Japan? What's the name of Japan? Philippines, Korea, and USA. So ang pato natin is to say ang countries, but ayaw sinuga ang ating actions. Okay? So, bayan ta. Japan sa Japan. Philippines, Korea, and USA. So, ready na? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Philippines. Again, 1, 2, 3, go! Japan. Philippines. Korea. Philippines. Okay, last. Japan. Philippines. USA. Korea. Japan. Philippines. USA. Korea. Japan. USA. Korea. If I say 1, 2, 3, you'll understand, look at me. So that means now we're going to Ana, okay? Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Look at me. So our topic for today is elements and distinct characteristics of technology-based production arts on digital arts. First, let's talk about elements of arts as applied to technology-based arts. So, I have two pictures here, and I want two volunteers to define or what are the similarities of painting and digital art. So, any one of you can answer what are the similarities of this painting and digital arts. Anyone? Yes, please. Sige lang, try lang. Sila na-discover mo. Differences sa lang ba? Yes.
Painting and digital art have two different mediums. Painting uses a canvas and paints and watercolor and stuff, and digital art uses tablets and a stylus.
Very good. So the differences of painting and digital arts as what makes Natalie says that tools that have been used is traditional. There are canvas, watercolors, and they use what kind of brush? The paintbrush. Asa na nila i-paint sa canvas or sa paper or bond paper. Like, nakatry ng watercolor, right? Okay, and then digital arts. What's sa digital arts? They use, from the word digital, it uses technology, they use computers, gadgets, cell phones, and smartphones. I mean, they also use tablets and pen for, ang sige sa karang pag-asa kantor, magamit na is Japan, right? They use sila sa usama, anime, manga, and then similarities, anyone? Yes, sir. Very brown. Is your name? Sige lang. Sila yung mga na-discover. Any idea lang? Sa similarities. Please stand up. Any idea? That's it. Anyone? Another. Yes, please. Similarities lang ang isa ng tao. Similarities lang. So, the similarities of painting and digital arts are their own visual arts. So, the visual arts uses from your feelings and emotions, and it also in from your creativity and imaginations. Everyone, please read the elements of arts as applied to technology-based art. The elements of art help you identify and interpret the artwork easily.
These are line, shape, color, value, form, texture, and space. These are incorporated in any artwork, traditional or technology-based digital art.
Okay, so there are 7 elements of arts, and those are lines, shape, color, value, form, texture, and space. So what are the 7 elements of arts?
Line, shape, color, value, form, texture, and space.
Okay, so let's go first. Here's the line. So line it is about the distance between 2 points or the path of a moving point, taking any form along the way. So from the word line uses to create some structure or building. So at what you can see there are lines na image siya of mga building. So this is the structures. Unsa ni sa Paris? Yun siya?
Tower.
Tower. Then shape. Shape is a figure of a particular condition that outlines anything that you can see. So based on the picture, can you analyze what shape it is?
Triangle.
Triangle. Unsa pa?
Square.
Maybe square.
Trapezoid. Rectangle.
And then mga geometric shapes. Next is color. Color. Different views, shades applied in arts and design. So what have you noticed on this?
Different color.
Different colors. So their colors define what is your feelings and emotions. So in black, dark. So we meaning ka sa dark. Sad, alone, or emotional lang ka. And then ang warm colors means
Happiness.
and the cool colors means
Cool. Joyful.
warm.
Warm.
Calm. Then value. Value is the use of lightness and darkness of colors, shading and highlighting in an artwork. So asa man iyang darkness at niya.
Nasa red.
And then iyang i-highlights ang artwork. And then sa likod niya is ang mga mapreness mga darkness lang. So kami mukhang and then four. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. Next is form. Form to be created by the forming of 2 or more shapes as a 3-dimensional shape. So, saan nilipita yung shape? Ha?
Yung mga shades, ma'am.
Saan sa ilong?
Taas ilong, ma'am.
Pyramid.
Pyramid.
Okay, good. Sa face, ano naman nakita nyo sa face na shape?
Symmetrical.
And then texture. Texture is the quality of a surface or the way any work of art is represented. So the surface quality or feel of an object is smoothness, roughness, and softness, etc. So example lang is kanang mag-draw ka of dog. Kung sa may kasagarang texture na niya, soft ba or rough?
Soft.
Soft or rough? Soft, depende sa klase sa dog. Rough, depende sa iyang. Okay, and then space refers to the distances or areas around between or within components of a piece. So from the word space, magtalo sa lasag no nga, sa ilahan dihip mo nga and arts of elements of space is fixing every object. Then let's go to distinct characteristics arts in the 21st century. So the distinct characteristics of art, of technology-based arts are as follows. So in technology-based, it is produced what? It is reproduced digitally. And it is easy to reproduce since it is digitally. Number 3 is it allows communication between the artist and the audience. Why? Paano kanya mag-communicate ang artist and audience when it terms to technology? What happened ay kung sikat ka o mag-post lang ka sa mga website, diba makakomment ang mga audience mo, maka-compliment or naay ipa-comment ka needs of improvement sa inyong mga works, right? Then it can be easily accessed and shared to the use of gadgets and so ano yun siya, kung mag-post ka sa mga websites, kasagaran yun is ma-share na rin yung isa-asa, no? But if ever nga magamit ganit ka o mga pictures ano sa author or the artist, you need to put their name para dili ka ma-plagiarize and report. And it uses different qualities of art elements in creating a visual effect. So examples of technology-based digital artwork. So dili lang naman siya mag-create. Pero it is an image of manipulation program. So kung mag-play ni siya, saan yung makita rin niya, different colors ng mga siya, maghalo yung pananang, mag-remove na siya. And then this one is, kung ano sabi siya, transition na mo dako kung may siya. And then digital painting produced through a pen tablet. So just what I said, ganiha ka example sa kung sa mga digital technology nga dito sa Japan to make manga, computer, tablet, and this one. Pen. Right. This is the example of mobile phone art. Hindi lang siya maklaro. Like, if ever magamit ka ang mga gadgets, hindi kayo maklaro, no? Kaya mas dapat magamit ka ang mga tablet, no? Mas dapat ako computer. The landscape siya ang example. So, there are two Filipino artists na sigaters sa Philippines. He is Vincent Rafael Aseo. He is an independent visual artist of algorithmic art, drawings, and fixed videos. So, kung niya mga examples. Kailan mo ano yung mga animes, for example, really cartoons. So, I know the examples na design na. The next is Ronnie Del Pra. He is the co-director of the animated film Inside Out, an animator is Warner Bros. And became a storyboard artist for Batman the Animated Series. So who is the co-director of the animated Inside Out?
Ronnie Del Car.
So isa din siya.
Si Joy. Ako, Mama Joy.
See? Now this time, I will group you into 6. So the instructions is, you will be divided into 6. Each group will be given one example of a 21st century technology. So I already have a given picture of this one. And as a group, you carefully observe and discuss the assigned artwork and analyze the artwork given based on art elements used such as light, color, shape, value, texture, and form, and prepare a simple evaluation explaining how technology helped in creating or enhancing the artwork. So choose one representative every group to share the group's observation and evaluation with the class. Sabot lang? Understood? Okay, so let's count 1 to 6. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
3. 3.
4, 5, 6. Okay. 1 na 1, 2, 4, 6,
1.
2, 3, 5. So before that, group 1 will be here, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, and group 6.
Good morning, everyone. We are Group 1 and I assigned you all know line. Line is the point moving in ways nothing in transportation for sure.
1, 2, 3.
Sige, balik. Line is a point moving in space acting as the foundation for drawing and design. Lines possess direction, length, and width, and are used to define edges between shapes such as texture and convey motion or movement. It enhanced by serving as the foundational structure that defines, organizes, and adds emotional depth to an image.
Very good. Prepare 1/4 sheet of paper.
Ay, Sanya! Sanya!
Okay, 1, 2, 3. All of you should answer is that 1, 2, 3. So all of you should answer this question. This quiz will be served as your attendance. Okay, number 1. Write true if the statement is true and false if the statement is wrong. Number 1. Technology-based art allows communication between the artist and the audience. Again, technology-based art allows communication between the artist and the audience. Control natin siya. Double try.
Bulpin na. Hindi mo mag-ulog.
Again, number 1, technology-based art allows communication between the artist and the audience. Okay, number 2, digital art has the same characteristics with traditional arts. Again, digital art has the same characteristics with traditional arts. Don't forget to write your name. Number 3. Elements of arts are indispensable factors that also affect technology-based art. Again, elements of art are indispensable factors that also affect technology-based art. Okay, again, number 3. Elements of art are indispensable factors that also affect technology-based art. Number 4. The use of lightness and darkness of color, shading, and highlighting in an artwork is value. Again, the use of lightness and darkness of color, shading, and highlighting in an artwork is value. Number 5. Vincent Rafael Aseo is a co-director of the animated film Inside Out and an animator in Warner Bros. Number 5. Again, Vincent Rafael Aseo is the co-director of the animated film Inside Out and an animator in Warner Bros. Answer with your Number 6 to 10. 6 to 10. Compare traditional art and digital art. Quiet. Compare traditional art and digital art. Identify one similarity and one difference between them. Again, compare traditional art and digital art. Identify one similarity and one difference between them. Answer this in 2 to 3 sentences. Okay, so on your assignments, describe 3 words: the technology, digital arts, and art elements on your own understanding. Technology, digital arts, and art elements in your own understanding for 2 to 3 sentences. Answer it on your notebook.